Okay, so this is for the 2015 and up Ford Mustang. May work on other models, but if you're having an issue where you're driving and you can't go faster than 55 miles per hour, you let go of the gas pedal, decrease speed, and press it again, and it seems to be normal, only to be greeted again at the 55-mile mark. It's probably this brake switch plunger stop. As you can tell, mine disintegrated. So this piece goes underneath. Goes right underneath here, and it goes on this side of the brake plunger. So on that little bracket. So my fix was some magnets on two sides of that metal bracket. You can see that works as the stop for the plunger. Quick 1 minute replacement. If you try replacing that plunger, I've heard stories of people well in over an hour just trying to get the plunger to fit into the hole that's there, and this works just perfectly fine. So the solution were these magnets. It's a 6-piece kit. There's the dimensions you need. Purchased this at Home Depot. It was about $9. And you only need one. I placed a second one on the back side of the bracket just to hold it just in case. But it's a quick little fix. My understanding is Ford doesn't sell the plunger stop, and the only way to get it is with a full brake assembly. You can find some alternatives at the auto parts store, not meant for this vehicle, but like I said, it takes a lot longer to put them on. So if you're experiencing this issue, if you've gotten a error on hill assist, this is what's going to stop it. It's your brake light switch. So I would try replacing this before you buy the actual brake light switch. Just to be on the safe side, because that part new is about $60 from Ford, unless you get an aftermarket one for like $15. But try this out first. Hope it helps.